Okay, we made it to Borough Market. Another lively place. We went through the marsh area, which is great. Very few cars or traffic pretty much the whole way here, which was nice. And we have another great eating establishment to visit, which is good because I'm hungry. I'm sure the girls are hungry. You guys ate at Lower Marsh, right?
Yeah.
Say something?
Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, your mic is still on.
Okay, let's go this way. The girls went this way.
Where are they?
I gave them the phone. Sierra's phone was 50% charge. Izzy says she's looking for a bathroom. They went this way.
Okay.
They're selling all kinds of Asian fruit.
Oh yeah.
It's kaki. They call it kaki, but it's actually, well, it's expensive. £7. Smells so good. Lychee.
Lychee?
All kinds of tropical fruit. Tin fish, all kinds of tin fish. Honey.
Wow, look at all the honey.
And this is like meat.
What is that?
Meat.
Is that fish?
No, it's
Huh?
what is this?
Injura.
What's this?
Maybe you should take
What is that?
photo of my lunch.
Oh, sure.
Your lunch looks
I
good.
just prepared.
Oh, you prepared it?
Yeah.
What is it?
It looks like pierogies almost or something.
This is wild boar tortellini.
Oh, wow.
Oh, live boar tortellini. Wow, so
Yeah.
good.
You made it yourself?
Yeah, and with my number one product, a couple of spoons of my number one product, which is sun-dried tomato,
Oh, they look so nice.
organic. It's my number one. That's why I put on top too.
Nice.
You enjoy your lunch.
Thank you, man. Where are you from?
We're from California.
California.
California. I got a lot of clients. This year I'm celebrating 20 years.
Here?
Oh, really
Wow.
nice. Congrats.
Thanks.
What is this?
What is that?
Oregano, I guess. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, they have kefir.
Butter. Cheese.
Wow, look at all this. Oil.
This one is £12.
Oil, sausage. So nice. Huh?
Yeah.
Look at all the cheese, man. Wow.
Ham.
Ham. The hamon. Ah, the Parma ham and mozzarella stand. Croatia.
She's also going around.
Huh?
She's also going around with a GoPro.
Oh.
That lady.
Oh.
I don't know what to even try. There's so many.
So much stuff. Problem is there's so much stuff you don't know what to try, what to eat.
It's good, right? You want something to eat?
Sausage.
Sierra, where's the bathroom? She's waiting.
Over there.
Oh, there's one right here.
She's over there.
But how will she find us?
She can call.
Yeah, what do you want? Use it. Sierra, you stay with Daddy. I'll go find your sister. Her phone doesn't work.
I saw at least 2 people with GoPros filming the area. Oh, look at all those blueberries. You want some?
No. Some cherries.
Lots of all the fresh food there. That's nice. I guess the train goes right above us. Wow, this market is big. It's getting crowded.
Oder wir gehen dahin nach vorne, wo da war das
Green Market. Okay, I lost everybody.
or something? Yeah, in Arabic.
Oh boy.
Yeah, but it's all a bit over that part. Sorry.
Yeah, we go this way, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, that is what we just came through. Wow. It got really crowded there for a minute. Okay, outside. My gosh. So it's a great market, but be prepared. It is crowded. I think if you don't know what you want, you're going to have a very difficult time choosing here. The yard. I think we're gonna have to stop and get a pint. Enough dealing with people.
Spices ready, but like
Another shot of the market. Very big, very crowded. Very nice. A lot of places to eat. You can just sit here and watch people go by all day. There's lots of people.